Jai Shri Mataji. We will now be demonstrating to you the shoe beating treatment. Now, the shoe beating treatment is a very important treatment for the Agya Chakra mainly. It is for ego, superego problems, then job problems, then somebody with their Agya in the job is dominating us, ill-treating, torturing us, or any other problem like bhutish problems, or maybe we always feel that we are very important or we are not important. Such kind of things, shoe beat will help bigly. And also even a normal problem also can be shoe beaten. Shri Mataji says shoe beat should be done like as frequently as possible, even equal to foot soaking. If not, at least we should keep it like weekly once. Shoe beating should be done for any of the normal ways for ego and superego. Now when we do shoe beating, the first thing is we always do the ego superego shoe beating, and then only we do the problem. So that has to be done always while doing shoe beating. So let us now see how to start the shoe beating treatment. So before starting the shoe beating treatment, we first take a bandhan. So after taking a bandhan, first take a bandhan. Now we should also remember the left shoe only is used. So left heel of the shoe will be used for beating. So here the left shoe is there. So left shoe is kept ulta, actually kept upside down, and the heel, with the heel only will be beating. You can show the heel. It's a left shoe at the heel. The heel area will be used for beating. Okay. So now after bandhan, both hands on the Mother Earth, we will pray to Shri Mataji as Bhumi Mata. Shri Bhumi Mata, please forgive us for beating with the shoe on the Mother Earth. So after that we will say the Bhumi Mata mantra. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Bhumi Mata Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. After saying the mantra, we will start the shoe beating. So we will keep both the hands open. First with the right hand we will circle it clockwise and then write our name and then ego and superego. So after doing this, we start beating with the shoe on the heel area 108 times. So when you do the 108 times, you keep your left hand towards the sky. So now you can also look at the sky. So now Tukaram is like facing the sky and doing it. So when you beat it with the shoe 108 times or even lesser than that if the vibrations are felt on the left palm. So watch for the vibrations and don't put your attention on what you have written on the floor, because the shoe beating will take over. So when you are beating with the shoe, the problem, you have to just watch for the 108 times and not need to count so much, but in a general way we can count and see whether you are feeling the vibrations on the palms. Once you feel the vibrations, you can stop it. Less than 108 or little more also we can do if you don't feel vibration at all. So don't keep doing so much time also. 108 and little more than 108 we can stretch. So after beating it with the shoe, then if you feel the vibration, then rub it with the shoe and then keep the shoe aside and then with both palms blow it towards the sky 3 times. So as if the negative energy is being given to the sky. Okay, this is how you finish the first. So always start with ego superego. After finishing now today, because this week we are doing the common treatment of shoe beating, we will do that itself now. So again circle it clockwise 7 times and then write your name. Again to remember, circling it 7 times. Okay, but it is all not big count. Generally we have to remember these things. Now again write your name and then you write your problem. So now what is the thing which we have asked to shoe beat this week is, so we will write all attachments towards myself, materials and close people. All attachments towards myself, material and close people. If you after writing that, again circle it 7 times. Now same way, left hand towards the sky with the shoe beat, with the shoe beat it with the heel 108 times. So if you are feeling the vibrations which before, you can stop. Otherwise you can do for some more time. So once you finish doing this, like rub it same way, keep it aside. So he is demonstrating, so he is showing you like that, but you can do till 108 times and then finish it off. So blow it towards the sky and then now thank Shri Mataji for the shoe beating and then take a bandhan and finish the shoe beating. After finishing the bandhan, we normally go and wash our hands, keeping the shoe aside, and then you wash your hands and finish the shoe beating, because it's better to wash the hands since we have done the shoe beating. It's a very powerful technique, actually taken from the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad also, and Shri Mataji has given us this treatment for clearing our ego in a big way. Jai Shri Mataji.